I'm Marissa, and today we're going to be drawing a pancake flipping around in the pan. Let's draw the pan first. So that's just a curve that goes out and over. Now from that side, we're going to go out again and connect it to the first line you made. Now we're going to draw a line that goes down and in, and then another side that goes down and in, but it's gonna be out a bit like this. Now let's curve off the bottom and connect it. Now let's start here and then go up and out and stop. Same thing, we're gonna go up and out and then stop about there. Now we're going to round it off and close it up. Now we're going to make our pancake. Let's start by making a curve that goes around and up like this. And then from that side, we're going to go up, around, and in. Now I'm going to go up, around, and keep going up, 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 and stop. Now I'm gonna follow this line and kind of make it the same curve pattern and finish it up right there. Now I'm going to make a line that goes out and then around and in like this, and I'm gonna make some arms, but it's up to you what you want to do. My arm's gonna go out like that, then I'm gonna draw a line up and out. There's gonna be an arm here and he's gonna go woo, like he's flipping around, up, out, up, and out again. I'm going to draw two eyes. One's going to go here and it's going to be a curve that goes around, and then another curve at the bottom, and then you can fill it in black. The next one is going to be the same thing on the other side, curve up and over, and then curve again, and then color it in. I'm going to draw a big mouth. The mouth is going to be shaped like a U at first, and then I'm going to go around and come in a bit, and then go up and over. Mine's going to have two little teeth sticking out, so I'm going to make a curve like that and a line. Same thing, a line, and then line out and up. Mine's gonna have a little curve for a tongue. Now let's draw some accent marks like it's flipping around. I'm gonna draw a line that goes down, another line, and then one more. There we go. Let's color it in. There's our happy pancake. My teeth ended up not working out so well, but that's all right. I filled it in. I hope you enjoyed this drawing. Please subscribe for brand new drawings, and I will see you next time. Bye.